Hey guys, welcome to another mukbang. So this is called sweet greens, or let me look it up because it's not even on here. greenvegetarian.com. So it's all vegan. Somebody put me on this. I actually follow this girl. Her name is Bree. This burger looks so good. Everything is vegan, absolutely vegan. Like these egg rolls are vegan. So everything in here is vegan except like the fries. No, actually the fries are vegan too. I'm just gonna eat and talk to you guys. I haven't done one of these in a while. So this is vegan. This is crazy. So it looks like a real burger. But you guys, it's been so hot and it's already October. Fall season is so hot. If you hear the air, I'm so sorry. This is really good. Can you guys see that? I mean, if you would have never thought this wasn't chicken, you wouldn't even know the difference. This is so good. I had a vegan burger last night too. For some reason, anytime I eat vegan items or anything like that, obviously I'm not vegan, but I love to eat vegan. My stomach really does not hurt whenever I eat a regular burger. You know what I mean? So that tells you a lot. That is really good. I'm upset that they didn't even put napkins in here, but so let's try these fries. These are thyme fries, actually. They do taste different. They do not taste the same like a regular fry. I like the box. Everything is so like, you know, The fries are good. They put ketchup in here, which I like. I bet you the ketchup is vegan because it doesn't taste like regular ketchup. Most definitely. Even the cheese, you can tell is vegan. Like it's like orange. Everything is so sloppy right now. I'm sorry. Like, I give this place like an 8 out of 10. It's really good. Guys, this is my first meal of the day and it's 1 p.m. You know I'm hungry. Now I know why the girl that I follow goes here all the time. We're gonna try the vegan egg rolls next because I love egg rolls. I wish other people would actually try vegan food with me. Usually I have to do this by myself because not a lot of people like to eat vegan. Like, just got out of the gym and I had a taste to eat vegan. Can't say that with other people because they'll be like, ew, what? I want real food. I'm like, this is so messy. The cheese is carrots. Oh my god, that's crazy. How? That literally hit the spot. Obviously I'm gonna eat the fries because they're really good. They don't taste like your regular fry. It's thyme fries. This is so good. Let's try these egg rolls because they look absolutely incredible. And they put like a soy sauce in there and they're air fried. You can tell they're air fried. This is an egg roll. This is so good. I love egg roll, especially vegetable egg rolls are my absolute favorite. This is so good. Oh my god. It had carrots, cabbage, lettuce, I don't know what else, but it's so fucking good. I just can't. I love carrots. Carrots is like my thing. Cabbage, not too much, but in an egg roll, it's really good. We're gonna try with the sauce though, but these fries are really good. Have you guys tried vegan food? If so, let me know. What do you do? What do you eat? In the comments below. Good lord, I'm making a mess in this car, bro. Okay, let's try the sauce because this sauce looks like soy sauce. We'll see what it is. It's different. It's not like your regular soy sauce. It tastes really good. I mean, it's not like your typical salty ass soy sauce. Not too bad. I like it without it though. For the sake of the video, I wanted to try it. What you guys been up to? I'm almost done with this food so today was the launch of new item that we added to our website. I'm so freaking excited. You guys don't even understand. The Aspire booty bands. So you guys want to get your booty right, your quads or your hamstrings right, You need this band in your life. It's a game changer, okay? I put pictures on the screen so you guys can see the photo shoot because I had so much fun. Literally, I was in so much pain the next day. I was sore AF. I couldn't walk for like the past 2 days because of this photo shoot. I didn't know that was so hard to do. And I see photo shoots from other people. They do it often. Like, I didn't know I was going to be in pain, sore AF. The next day, I was literally dying. I was like, what the hell? And it's because I was holding a pose for a long time just for a picture. Overall, this was really good. I'm eating this and my stomach is not like bloated, feeling weird. You know what I mean? I wish you guys could understand the difference, because I feel a certain way whenever I eat regular fast food. You know what I mean? You can feel it in your stomach. That's how you know our food is not good at all. I stress this enough. So many people, a lot, but nobody listens to me. Water, because that's all we drink out here in these streets. Water or like vitamin water. That's pretty much it for this eat with me trying vegan food together, because this is my first vegan meal, okay? And this was really good. Especially the burger. It was so messy. Everything just was falling everywhere. Thyme fries it's so good. Like, I still have some. Definitely gonna eat that. These vegan egg rolls are to die for. I love them without the sauce though, because I don't know, I'm not a big sauce person, except if it's ketchup or like blue cheese or ranch or something like that, then yeah, something bad obviously. But yeah, I'm just gonna head home, and I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Let me know what else you want me to do next. Like, I wanted to do canes, but I didn't want my stomach to really hurt today, so I decided to try vegan food for the first time. Like, this is the first vegan restaurant or spot that I've been to. I hope you guys enjoy this eat with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Peace.